Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that part of your job can now be done in seconds by artificial intelligence, not in a science fiction movie, not 10 years from now. Today, AI can write emails, summarize long reports, create designs, translate languages, analyze data, and even help people write software. So the big question is no longer, will AI change work? It already has. The real question is this: will AI take away your opportunity? Or will it help you create a better one? In this video, we'll look at how AI is changing jobs, money, and the future of work, and what ordinary people can do to stay valuable in a world that is changing fast. Let's be honest. People are worried. When new technology arrives, the first thought is often, will I lose my job? That fear is understandable. We have seen it before. Factories changed manual work. Computers changed offices. The internet changed business. But history also shows something important. Technology does not only remove old tasks, it creates new work, new industries, and new ways to earn. AI is different because it can affect office work, creative work, customer service, research, and even coding. But that does not mean every job disappears overnight. In many cases, AI changes the tasks inside a job before it changes the job itself. This is the most important idea in the entire video. AI usually replaces or improves specific tasks, not the complete human being. Think about a marketing manager. AI may help write the first draft of an advertisement, but it cannot fully understand a company's culture, make a difficult business decision, build trust with a client, or lead a team through a crisis. Think about a teacher. AI can create a lesson plan in seconds, but it cannot fully replace the human connection. That helps a student feel confident, understood, and motivated. The future is not simply human versus machine. The future is human plus machine. The first tasks likely to change are repetitive, digital, and predictable. For example, data entry, basic reporting, scheduling, document formatting, simple customer support replies, routine research, first draft writing, and some coding tasks. If work follows a clear pattern, uses lots of digital information, and can be checked easily, AI can often help speed it up. That does not always mean the worker is removed. It may mean one person can now do in 1 hour what previously took 3 hours. And that is where money changes too. Businesses can reduce routine costs. Workers who know how to use AI can become faster. Freelancers can serve more clients. Small businesses can produce work that once required a large team. But there is an important warning. Faster work only becomes better work when people still use judgment. So, what becomes more valuable when AI becomes common? Human judgment? Creativity? Communication? Curiosity? Leadership? Trust? AI can offer 10 possible answers, but a human still needs to ask the right question. AI can create a beautiful presentation, but a human still needs to understand the audience. AI can analyze customer comments, but a human still needs empathy to understand what customers actually feel. And AI can write code, but a human still needs to decide what problem the product should solve. The most valuable people may not be the ones who compete against AI. They may be the ones who know how to direct it. Think of AI as a powerful calculator for language, images, ideas, and data. A calculator does not make someone a great mathematician, but a skilled person using a calculator can work faster and solve bigger problems. You do not need to become an AI engineer to prepare for this future. Start with 4 practical skills. First, learn to use AI tools for your current work. If you write, learn how to brainstorm and edit with AI. Second, learn to verify. AI can sound confident even when it is wrong. Always check important facts, numbers, legal information, medical information, and financial information. Third, learn to build small systems. For example, create a repeatable workflow for research, content planning, or project organization. Fourth, communicate clearly. In an AI powered world, the person who can explain a complex idea simply will always have value. Do not chase every new tool. Learn one useful tool, apply it to a real problem, and improve step by step. Let's make this practical. Imagine a student. Instead of copying answers from AI, the student uses it to create practice questions, explain difficult concepts, and improve a project. The student still thinks, but learns faster. Imagine a small business owner. They use AI to draft product descriptions, organize customer questions, and create a basic content calendar. That gives them more time to improve the actual product and speak with customers. Now imagine an office professional. They use AI to summarize meetings, create first drafts, and organize research. But they personally review every important point, make the final decision, and communicate with the team. In all three examples, AI is not the final authority, it is the assistant. That is the mindset we need. Use AI to remove low value busy work, not to remove human responsibility. Of course, AI also brings real risks. It can produce false information. It can repeat bias from its training data. It can create privacy problems when people upload confidential documents. And it can make some workers feel pressured to do more work in less time. That is why the future of AI cannot be decided only by technology companies, workers, schools, businesses, and governments. All need to be part of the conversation. The goal should not be to automate everything possible. The goal should be to use technology in a way that improves productivity, protects people, and creates opportunity. Smart use of AI needs rules, transparency, and human responsibility. AI is changing money, jobs, and the future of work. But the future is not already written. The people who stay curious, learn useful skills, and keep their human strengths will not be left behind easily. Do not panic about AI. Understand it. Do not blindly trust it. Verify it. And do not wait for the future to arrive. Start preparing for it now. What do you think? Will AI create more opportunity than risk? Share your opinion in the comments and subscribe for more simple videos about the future, AI, and money.